just so y'all know, if I see something moving around in the bushes over there, I am totally going to be looking over there because I'm like, ooh, what kind of animals can I see? Listen, sometimes they're not animals. But just know, like, I wasn't trying to, like, peep on what y'all were doing. It was just, like, I thought you were, like, a cool deer or maybe an animal or, I don't know. Maybe the tree was moving by itself, like, so cool. But, like, no, I wasn't trying to fucking walk in on that. My bad.